Let's go fold some laundry. I hate doing laundry. It takes so long. Oh, come on. It won't take that long. By implementing some lean principles, we can make the process a little faster. You think that's gonna work? Come on, let's go try it.
6 minutes and 51 seconds isn't a bad time, but let's make some lean improvements. First, let's identify some of the non-value added activities. First, here, all of the clothing is being sorted into different piles. This is a big waste of motion, spending time to sort the clothing without doing the folding, the value added activity. We can completely eliminate this step in the process by changing to a one-piece flow system. Next, we should look at the closet. Storing all the hangers that we're not using in the closet next to all their clothes. However, if we take these hangers and store them off to the side, they'll be easier to access. When we need to use them, they'll just be right here in the end, where it's easy to find them. That way we won't have to dig through the closet and waste motion. Last, here you can see that we have to walk from one side of the room to the other to access these drawers. These drawers that contain the shirts are also placed closest to the floor. Because these drawers were placed here arbitrarily when we moved, we can easily fix this. By moving these drawers from one side to the other, they become closer to the gemba. This will, therefore, reduce waste of transportation. Now, let's see the overall change that our improvements have made in our process time. By making these lean improvements, we reduced our original time from 6 minutes and 51 seconds down to a new time of 3 minutes and 56 seconds. This in total saves us 2 minutes and 55 seconds worth of work. This is a 42% improvement. Over the course of the year, because laundry is done about once a week, this will save 2 hours, 31 minutes, and 39 seconds. That's enough time to watch a full blockbuster movie, or maybe just take a nap. Either way, I'll appreciate having this time back and having to spend less time folding laundry.